Okay, I got a box of the Slime brand Tubeless Rim Tape. I've never used this before, picked it up for real cheap, actually off of rei.com. So I'm gonna try to lace this up and see how it works. This is a review of the product. Okay, opening it up, you can see it's this unusual green color, and it's a bit transparent, but it looks like it's going to do the job pretty well. Let's throw it on the rim and see how it goes on. Okay, I've started applying it to the rim, and you can see here how the transparency comes through. I have to say that I'm actually impressed by the way it's going on. It seems more compliant than Stan's does. It's sitting down in the channel a little easier. It's just overall easier to work with. That doesn't translate into a great rim tape without, writing it and stuff like that. But in terms of applying this stuff, it's easy to work with. So that's definitely a plus. As I get this on here, we'll update you and then get the tire on here and then update you again. And then after taking it for a couple of rides, see how it's holding up. Okay, I've got the rim taped up. This stuff has been super easy to work with. Even as I'm going back over and trying to get rid of all the bubbles, you can see I've got a bubble here, and just gonna go over it. Just a towel, and look at that bubble just came basically right out. Like, this tape is so compliant, it's so easy to work with. That's a major plus. Okay, here's the final product. Tire sealed up just right. It's holding air. It's doing great. You can see that slime tubeless tape worked really well. And this is a Stan's no tube flow rim, 30 millimeter width with a V tire on it, and couldn't be happier. That went better than expected. So at this moment, I'm giving my recommendation for that slime tape.